Not every road is just a destination. Some roads become memories. From sunsets by the sea to forests, mountains, and endless highways. These are 7 ride moments that made the journey truly special. We were riding the last few miles toward Gokarna, the quiet stretch of Balikan Beach. The sun slowly dipped toward the horizon, spreading warm shades of gold across the sky. For a few seconds, everything felt still. Just the sound of the ocean, the rhythm of the ride, and a sunset that made this journey unforgettable. Some rides are difficult to describe because the experience feels bigger than words. This stretch began on rugged terrain, dusty tracks, uneven paths, the kind of road that keeps a rider constantly alert. Every throttle input mattered. Then suddenly, the landscape changed. The rough trail faded away. In its place appeared smooth black tarmac cutting through the forests of Denkanikotai in Tamil Nadu. The ride became calmer, more rhythmic. Tall trees lined both sides of the road, and slowly the forest opened up toward a small, quiet village ahead. 2 completely different worlds connected by a single ride. Mailavaram Dam. The ride along its boundaries felt raw and untouched. Dusty tracks stretched beside the water. The wind carried fine sand across the road. And far in the distance, standing quietly against the horizon, were the ancient ruins of Gandikota Fort. Riding here didn't just feel scenic, it felt like traveling through a landscape where nature and history exist together. The highway to Gokarna on NH48 was wide, open, and almost empty. A perfect road to cruise. Then Amit glides past me on his KTM 390. Smooth, effortless. This ride felt absolutely priceless. Somewhere after Sirsi, deep inside the forest roads heading toward NH66, this stretch appeared. The entire road was under repairs, which meant one thing for us riders: a mix of surfaces. Unfinished tarmac. Every few kilometers, a completely different riding experience. This downhill ride through the Ayur Reserved Forest in Tamil Nadu was truly a hidden gem. Hairpin bends appeared one after another, each turn sharper than the last. Many riders visit Penukonda Hills for a quick valley ride, but honestly, these bends felt far more cinematic. Quicker turns, tighter curves, and endless green mountains surrounding the road. Yet the scenery kept stealing the attention. And about 45 minutes later, we reached the peaceful surroundings of Panchapalli Dam. While riding through the Gulati forest region, we noticed a narrow detour trail. Curiosity took over and we decided to explore it. And we discovered a beautiful tabletop plateau. Open skies, quiet surroundings, and views that instantly pulled you in. Amit rode ahead, Shravana followed behind me. For a few minutes, we simply enjoyed that cinematic stretch. Soon the road descended into a tiny countryside village surrounded completely by mountains. It felt like stepping into a different world. The destinations may change, the roads may look different, but the feeling of riding never gets old until the next journey begins.